Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Xas One Free Robux scam. So as you can see, Xas One is another one of those scam websites that promise to offer you free Robux, which is more than likely too good to be true. And there are a lot of websites like these, so please do not fall for these scams since they can basically get your personal information. So as you can see, malwaretips.com goes over how the Robux scam works. So advertising free Robux, prompting users to input their username, fake checking user through verification, and never receiving the promised Robux. So these are the same processes as other sites. So as you can see, the free Robux offer, they are offered something like this. So for $0 you get 9,000 Robux for free. You can also choose other ones. And please do not enter in any information on these websites since they can very well get your information. For example, your name, your email, your phone number, and a lot more, unlike where you live. So the major risks this scam is providing personal information during the verification process. So like your email address, phone number, real name, home address, age, passwords, and Roblox username. So please do not fall for this scam. It is too good to be true. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.